Welcome everyone. Today we are going to introduce you to the simple process of submitting a screenshot on Brightspace. Whether you're sharing your latest quiz results or need to provide evidence of your completed tasks, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the platform. First, capture your screenshot. On most devices, this involves pressing a combination of two buttons simultaneously. Many Android devices have useful functions for taking screenshots, like tapping the back of the phone or waving the hand across the screen. This is quick and easy. Be sure to do your own research on how to take screenshots depending on the device you're using. If you're using a mobile platform, your screenshot will be saved to your gallery. If you're on the computer, be sure to save the screenshot to a location on your computer. Some students like to use an editor like Paint or Photoshop to save the file. It's also important to give it a relevant name so that you can find it easily later on. Next, log into your Brightspace account and navigate to the course for which you need to make the submission. Some courses may have this in a folder with a specific label, like Week 1 or Week 2, or assignments, or even classwork, like we have here. It's best to find your assignments this way, as your instructors may also have relevant files and lectures related to that assignment in these folders. Alternatively, however, you can go to the assignment section to find your assignments as well. Now, select the appropriate assignment for your submission. This ensures that your screenshot ends up exactly where it needs to be. To upload your file, look for an option that reads Upload, Add a File, or something similar. This is where you can attach your screenshot. Find your screenshot file in your device. It should now be easy to find based on the location where you saved it. Select it and confirm the upload. The process is the same for any file that you want to upload. If you have a Word document or any other file on your device that you need to submit, follow these same steps. This will seamlessly integrate your screenshot into the assignment area. You may add a comment to your professor about the assignment as well. Finally, ensure you click Submit. This action finalizes the process and sends your screenshot to your instructor. And there you have it. You have successfully submitted a screenshot on Brightspace effectively and efficiently. We wish you success in all your submissions. From all of us here, a happy learning.